Namaste. Akhanda Yoga on chair. You can do this practice in your office, in your home, anytime. Let's start. Make sure you have a nice chair, stable, palms on your thighs, keep back straight, and happier breathing. Long exhale, long inhale. Let's 3 Om together. Inhale, palms in Namaskar Mudra. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Beautiful. Less palms on your thighs. We're doing Kapalbhati purification. If you have moon cycle, bad headache or cold, please go slowly. Okay? Let's exhale for Kapalbhati. Inhale. Exhale and hold breath out for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy, proud inhale. Hold breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Let's happy, soft breathing with beautiful smile. Beautiful. Let's do open your arms, level up your shoulders, big inhale. Exhale, twist right side, looking over right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, twisting left side. Widen arms. Inhale, center. Exhaling right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhaling, center. One more round. Exhale, right side. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, left side. Inhale, center. And exhale, palms on your thighs. Let's do shoulder breathing. You inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders down. If you have neck or shoulder issues, please go slowly. Okay, let's start. Inhale. Inhale now. Hold breath in. Lifting shoulders, back straight. And exhale. Soften shoulders, soften breathing into sensation. Just waking up. Releasing tension from your shoulders. Activating your respiratory system. It's just so good. Beautiful. Now let's keep we're doing the side bending, okay? Keep your right elbow on the right side and inhale, raise left hand up and bring left hand, oops, make sure your chair is very stable. Bring left hand right side and breathing into your left lung. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring left hand down. Same thing from other side. Now, inhale, raise right hand up and bring right hand left side. Breathing into right lung. Inhale, center, and exhale, arm down. Next one, sitting cat, okay? Let's inhale, lifting chin, bringing elbows back. Now exhale, round your back. Chin to the throat, squeeze your belly in. Inhale, raise your head. Exhaling round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do active inhale. Inhale up. Now exhale, keep back straight, eyes closed, breathing into your spine, breathing into your digestive organs. Beautiful. Let's do Meru Kriya. You inhale, open arms. As you exhale, twist right and tapping middle of your chest. Then inhale, center. Exhale, twist, tapping middle of your chest. Let's start. Inhale, come in center, hold breath in, long arms, and exhale, palms on your thighs. Just happy breathing in your whole body. Let's make 7 Brahmari for 7 chakras. Exhale. Inhale in Muladhara Chakra. Inhale in Swadhisthana Chakra. Inhale in Manipur Chakra. Inhale Anahata Chakra. Inhale in Visuddha Chakra. Inhale Agya Chakra. Inhale Sahasrara Chakra. Soft breathing, meditate on third eye. Keep eyes closed. Relax your face and shoulders. Meditate on third eye. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om, Three Shanti. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Holding beautiful smile. I'm sending you blessings. Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you. You're deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.